Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this 1603 install error in Epic Games Launcher. First, let's search for Epic Games Launcher, right click on it and click on Open File Location. From here, we right click on it again and open file location as well. We should now get to the exe file, so we right click on it and click on Properties. From here, let's go to the Security tab. From here, we are going to change some permissions, so click on Edit right here. And we make sure that the right option is checked like this under Allow. Then click on Apply and hit OK. Once we have done this, we can then relaunch the Epic Games Launcher and see if your problem has now been solved. If not, another way would be within the launcher, let's go to the library from the options at the left. And we are going to go to the search bar at the top and type in Fall Guys. Hit enter. Click on this free game right here. And we are going to click on the Get button at the right. And we are going to place order. Since this is just a free game, so just do that. We can then go click on View in Library and click on Install at the bottom of Fall Guys. You can choose the install location. It is just around 7 GB or 8 GB and click on Install. Click on Yes, and let's wait for this game to be installed. Once it has been installed, click on the 3 dots in line with Fall Guys and click on Manage. From here, let's click on this folder icon in line with the installation and open up the Epic Online Services folder right here, and you should be able to see this exe file. First, we are going to close the launcher, hit the close. Once you have closed the launcher, let's search for Task Manager. From here, let's find the Epic Games Launcher and we right click on it and end task. After that, we go back to the folder and let's launch this exe file by double clicking on it. Click on Yes, and that should help fix the issue and you should check it. If it is still not working, let's go to Settings. From here, let's go to Apps and you should be at the Installed Apps page. From here, let's search for Epic Games Launcher. Click on it and click on Uninstall and uninstall once again. After that, you have to reinstall it from the official website and see if that solution works for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.